Making jewelry is fun. You can make your own earrings, necklaces, and bracelets. First, we need the right tools. We need colorful polymer clay. This clay bakes hard in your oven. We also need jewelry findings. These are jump rings, earring posts, and clasps. They connect your clay pieces to make jewelry. Don't forget a roller to flatten your clay. Shape cutters help make fun designs. Lastly, grab a baking sheet. This is where your clay creations will bake. Now we have everything to start crafting. Let's make something beautiful together. Before we shape our clay, it's essential to prepare it properly. We need to condition it to ensure it's workable and easy to mold. Conditioning makes the clay soft and easy to work with, preventing cracks and breaks in your final piece. Take a small piece of clay in your hand. This will make it easier to manage and condition thoroughly. Start rolling it between your palms. The warmth from your hands will help soften the clay. Keep rolling until the clay feels soft and pliable. This process can take a few minutes, so be patient. It should no longer feel crumbly or hard. Properly conditioned clay will be smooth and flexible. If the clay feels too stiff, you can add a tiny drop of baby oil. This acts as a plasticizer, making the clay even softer. Mix the baby oil thoroughly into the clay. This helps soften it further and makes it easier to work with. Once the clay is soft and smooth, it's ready to be shaped. You should feel a noticeable difference in its texture. Now we can start creating beautiful jewelry pieces. The possibilities are endless when your clay is properly conditioned. Let your imagination run wild. From earrings to necklaces, the only limit is your creativity. Now comes the fun part. This is where your creativity truly shines and you can let your imagination run wild. Let's shape our clay into beautiful jewelry. Think about the designs you want to create. Do you want something simple or intricate? You can use your hands to mold the clay into any shape. Roll it into balls, pinch it into petals, or even create tiny sculptures. The possibilities are endless. Or shape it into geometric patterns. Triangles, squares, hexagons, whatever catches your fancy. Use shape cutters to make perfect circles, which can be great for earrings or pendants. Hearts, stars, and other fun shapes can add a whimsical touch to your creations. You can even use household items to create textures. Look around your home for interesting patterns. A toothpick can add dots, creating a delicate, detailed look, while a fork can create lines, adding a rustic or modern feel depending on your design. Get creative and experiment with different shapes and textures. Mix and match techniques to see what unique designs you can come up with. There's no limit to what you can create. From earrings to necklaces, bracelets to rings, your imagination is the only boundary. Once you're happy with your designs, it's time to bake them. Follow the instructions on your clay package for the best results. Happy crafting! Let's bake our clay creations. This is an exciting step where your designs start to come to life. Preheat your oven according to the instructions on the clay packaging. Each type of polymer clay has its own specific baking temperature, so make sure to check the details on the package. Place your clay pieces on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. This helps prevent them from sticking and ensures an even bake. Bake the clay for the recommended time. It's crucial to follow the timing instructions to avoid overbaking or underbaking your pieces. Once baked, let them cool completely before touching. This cooling period allows the clay to harden properly, making it easier to handle. Now your clay creations are hard and ready for finishing touches. This is where you can really make your pieces shine. You can add shine by buffing the surface with a soft cloth. Buffing not only adds a beautiful sheen, but also smooths out any imperfections. For a glossy finish, use a polymer clay glaze. Apply it evenly with a brush and let it dry completely. This will give your pieces a professional, polished look. Attach your jewelry findings using jump rings and glue. This step transforms your clay pieces into wearable art. Your beautiful handmade jewelry is ready to wear. Show off your unique creations and enjoy the compliments that are sure to come your way.